What is going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video. In today's video, we're actually going to check out Chainlink, and I'm going to give you guys a quick update on what I'm seeing on the longer term time frame and the shorter term time frame charts for Chainlink. If that sounds good to you guys, make sure you smack that subscribe button down below. Now let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on into the longer term time frame chart of Chainlink, as you guys can see, we got a rejection above what the previous all-time high resistance line that I talked about in my previous video on Chainlink, guys. As you can see, we had this previous resistance line all the way touching this one and this one. I know you guys are probably saying we only want to have two all-time highs, so it's hard to draw a resistance line on those two, but keep in mind, just keep watching the video, guys. So we had this all-time high resistance line. We got a little bit of a rejection on it here, but we ended up pumping right through it. Now, most of the times we break these resistance lines, we do go back and end up retesting them as support. As I always say in my videos, guys, retesting old resistance as support is extremely bullish, and usually you do want to see it to see a healthy bull market in the long term. So we jump back into the chart here, guys. As you can see, last time we had this kind of resistance line here, guys, where we got a rejection from it. We ended up pumping through it, and we came back down and actually touched it as support before continuing up to our next resistance. As you can see here, we're doing the exact same thing. We got a little bit of resistance on it, pumping through it, and I see us coming back down and touching this as support before continuing up higher. Now, if we can come down straight down from today, that's not going to happen, so hold your horses. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but if it does, this can come down to about the $10.4 level if we went straight down from today. I think it's going to take a little more time, and it's probably going to take about mid-August, maybe the 20th. So let's say on the 20th, we'd be right at about 10.7K as a possible reversal point for this next support and resistance and support flip, guys. I want to jump into the second chart I want to look at for Chainlink today, and that is this chart here. Just a couple of supports and resistances that I wanted to look on. So we did get rejected up here. This is a major support, major resistance up here, guys. And we did get a little bit of daily price action in this second little green box here. So we could see a test back down to this support and then continuing back up as we maybe retesting this resistance level here, guys. Or we could actually come back down and touch this second bigger support box here, guys. We had a lot of price action in this area, and we could come back down and test this as support instead of this kind of support here. Now, if we look back here at this little time here, guys, as you can see, we came back down. We didn't actually come back down and test the major high here. We never came back down and touched the previous all-time high. We actually just came back down and retested this little resistance here, guys. So I could see this kind of part right here kind of reminds me of this right here. Instead of coming back down and touching all this, we maybe we just come back down and touch this little green support before continuing higher. Kind of like how we did here. We came back down, touched this little old resistance as support, and then continue back up. That's what I see in kind of the shorter term time frame playing out for Chainlink. Just wanted to take a look at that, guys. Let me guys what you guys think in the comment section down below about the shorter term chart for Chainlink. Let's jump on into the third chart I want to look at for Chainlink today, and this is kind of this fractal. Now, there are a lot of differences between these two. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying they're exactly perfect, but the general premise of these two kind of price action markets exactly pretty much the same, minus one major difference, guys. So as you guys can see here, this is the previous Chainlink bear market to bull market, and this is the current bull market for Chainlink, guys. So as you guys can see, look how perfect this guys plays up. So we get our all-time high, and then we continue down, and we kind of make a double bottom. Same thing here, make our all-time high, and then we make a double bottom. Now, this double bottom is a little bit different because in this one, we did get that dump back in March that we're not going to speak of like we say in every single video. If you guys want to know what I'm talking about, just look at the news. You guys will know exactly what I'm talking about. But nonetheless, as we jump back in, as you can see here, guys, if we actually get rid of this kind of dump here, which I think wouldn't have happened if, you know, what happened in March didn't kind of arise, as we can say. I think we would just this kind of pump here would have happened back here. So it would have matched this fractal a little bit better. We might have to move this part over to the right and connect it here instead of having this big pump and V-shaped bottom. We would have had just the double bottom, just exactly like this one. We would have had a little consolidation just like we did here before actually pumping off and continuing higher. As you can see here, you know, this resistance line was a little bit lower on this one, but nonetheless, look how similar these guys are. I just wanted to point this out to you guys. Let me guys what you think about this fractal in the comment section below. I know it's not perfect, but I love to look at these fractals as kind of predictions of what's going to happen in the future for Chainlink and pretty much all altcoins and Bitcoin, guys. And I just wanted to make a quick suggestion for you guys. After you watch this video, check out my link in the description to watch my top 5 altcoin video. You guys very will enjoy that video. It kind of gives you my insights on my top altcoins that I think are great investments. It's not investment advice, but it's just kind of what the main coins that are in my portfolio, guys. So I just wanted to point that out before we continue the video. Fourthly, I want to take a look at Bitcoin real quick and see what it's kind of doing on the daily chart. We did actually disconfirm. I don't know what kind of word I'm trying to use there, guys, but kind of confirm, but the opposite. So I'm just going to say disconfirm because I can't think of the word right now. But as you can see, we kind of failed this ascending triangle, and we have dumped below it, and we did confirm a daily close below that possible ascending triangle that I was talking about in my last Bitcoin update. But nonetheless, we could be, we wick down to this point right here. We could just be forming this bigger ascending triangle. I hope not, because that's going to mean a lot more accumulation for the next couple weeks to months. So I do hope that's not the case, but this new one could end at the end of August. So be careful and watch out for this possible ascending triangle. This could be completely destroyed if we just keep continuing to dump. So this is just a possibility that I wanted you guys to take a look at. I think we're still in some type of consolidation range just because the volume is still tapering off. We're not getting any higher highs on volume, so just be careful that if we don't see higher highs in the volume, just be careful. We might still be in accumulation, and we might want to jump the gun and sell all your Bitcoin before it actually gets a bounce and continues back up, guys. So that's the fourth thing I want to look at today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't stare at the charts all day. I know you guys are watching a video on cryptocurrency, but take a break every now and then. Go outside, enjoy your life, hang out with your friends, hang out with your family, because you don't know when it all can come to an end. I'm gonna go head outside actually. I always say I'm gonna head outside after my videos. You guys know what the deal is at this point. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smack the subscribe button down below for daily cryptocurrency videos. I talk about Bitcoin, altcoins, all you guys like to see in this kind of space. So that subscribe button is right down there, that little red button down there. Just press that. Gives me huge motivation, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Once again, go outside, enjoy your day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.